of the Cheroenhaka Nottoway Indian Tribal Council, Cheroenhaka Nottoway Indian Tribal Heritage Foundation, and all of the members associated with our tribe, we welcome you to our 24th Cheroenhaka Nottoway Indian Corn Harvest Powwow and School Day.
Ii swawore ina oter. I touched Mother Earth. Ii swawore ahro quicker wintika. I touched Father Sky. Ii swawore ahro quicker wintika. I touched Father Sky. Sesunke Ivis, my heart song. That's all right.
Oh, yo, eh, ah, eh, eh,
Okay, we have three of our oldest tribal members out here. Miss Mildred, she's 100 years old. Raise your hands, Miss Mildred. And Miss Bessie, she's 98. And where is she? She's 96, I believe. Where's Miss Dolly on the Rogers side? How you doing, Miss Dolly? So we got a 96, a 98, and a 90, and a 100. Okay, hold on a second. Well, when he came to the village, he actually not only described how the women look and how the men look, but when he first came to the village, the women gave out. When he first came to the village, the women gave out. The women came out hoops and hollers, and all of a sudden in his writings he said the young men ran in the woods. I don't know if they were afraid or what, but then he said the young men came out and they were singing and dancing to the sound of a large gore drum stretched tight with an animal skin. Keeping step with the songs in our native tongue, they were singing and drumming with the gore drum with an animal skin. First recorded powwow anywhere in Virginia. Listen to me. A powwow is normally where people come together, tribal people come together and they dance, and the general public come out and take part in that worship service, okay? That's the first recorded powwow in Virginia, 1728, as recorded by William Byrd. We have a very rich history. We are a proud people. We're the Cheroenhaka Nottoway Indian tribe, and we are still here because we are standing here. Oh! Oh! So if anybody asks you who we are, you say, well, they're here. They've been here before you came here, okay? Bonfire tonight at 7 o'clock. Please come back, it's free, okay? We're gonna have a bonfire right here. We're gonna have a mortgage burning ceremony for the last 163 acres of land that we bought, which cost us $550,000. 3 years ago, listen now, we paid the last $3,800 on the deed last month. Isn't that something? You see how the Creator blesses? Now we have 263 acres of land. We're probably the second largest landowners of a tribe in Virginia. Okay? 263 acres. And you're standing on this sacred ground, and we're so glad that you came out to support us. Thank you so very much. Be blessed.
God bless you in the back.
Oh, Great Spirit, we come once again to say thank you for a wonderful day. Thank you for those that came to observe our heritage, Father. Thank you for those that prayed with us coming and those that will pray with us leaving. May everyone have enjoyed themselves today and be safe in their travels home, and come again as soon as you can. Amen.
Amen.
I'm gonna walk around the circle, and every tribal person, I'm gonna give you a piece of this mortgage so you can put it in the fire. When you get your piece of the mortgage, you just step forward, put it in the fire, and you come back, okay? Everybody follow that?
Yep.
Creator Kwikahunte, we thank thee right now for this opportunity. We thank thee that now this land belongs to the Cheroenhaka, Nottoway Indian tribe, free and simple. We thank thee, Creator, 263 acres of what used to be 41,000 acres of reservation land. We thank you. But now we claim the Nottoway River also, Onos Chioki Joki, for our land now butts the Nottoway River. We ask you to bless us individually, then bless us collectively, and bless this tribe as a whole. Let us be on one accord, one mind, one faith about building the Cheroenhaka Nottoway Indian tribe. Give us courage and give us strength, and bring in more people in the tribe to participate. Let them take an active role in what we are doing. We ask you, Creator, that you allow them to pay their administrative fees and their land tax, that we might build our foundation up again. Because we know we need water on our tribal land. We need $4,800, Creator, but we're going to claim it in your name that you're going to make that happen. We need $4,800 to get the well dug, and we've had the permit now for 2 years. So we ask you that you can bless us on that. So come July of next year, we will have water on our tribal land. So we thank thee right now as we gather around this fire, Atura. Can everybody say Atura? Which is fire in our native tongue. We thank thee. We thank thee, Creator, for your blessings. In the Creator's name we say, oh! Oh!
That's my fun, bro. No, you lay an egg down.
We do this early.
Oh, he coming fast.
Yeah, I know.
Wait a minute, baby.
I'm gonna take it down. Hold on. Hold on, baby. Hold on.
All right, hold on.
See that? This is the one with the seal on it. Okay? I'm going to burn this last. And we're going to start with the Ellis. You come forward and put your piece in and go back and get in the line, okay? We're going left to right. Just like we dance. Come on, go back. Come on, Allison, you next. Counterclockwise.
Make sure my blanket is not going over there.
What was that? I'm moving too fast. I can't get a picture.
You put yours in there?
Just get off the jack.
Because I'm not trying.
Don't fall in.
It's flying.
Just laying.
Don't worry about it.
It's not even in there.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. Be quiet, and that's a sacred ceremony. Please.
All right.
That it?
No, he
See the shield? The seal?
I see it.
Come on, stop moving it. I'm trying to catch it.
Get a picture of the seal.
I'm trying to, but you keep moving
There
it
you
around. I'm sorry.
Join hands, join hands, join hands. Tell you one thing. If I was burning my knees.
Oh, your knees should feel real good right now.
Huh?
So your knees should feel real good right now. It's nice and warm.
Very much. But anyway, what you're standing on now, tribal members, belongs to you. But we still got a lot of work to do. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much. Okay? You guys travel safe. Who's going to be with us tomorrow?
We all will.
Everybody going to be with us tomorrow?
Yeah, be here tomorrow.
Well, we have no word for bye. What did we say?
Yeah.
Ia!
Yeah.
How does that walk? Ia!
Yeah.
They will.